welcome back. Today we are dustless blasting. Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to do something. We're going to clean up the valve covers with a process similar to sandblasting, but instead of using air, use water mixed with the media to give us they say dustless, but this still creates a dust, but it gives us a phenomenal looking part that, yeah, it's going to look great. We got some aluminum valve covers here. One I've already applied the process to, and we'll just take a look at those parts right now. So here you can see side by side the two valve covers. The one here has been blasted and cleaned. I mean, this looks good. There's some couple of spots I got to touch up. There's a little bit of pitting on the surface from the corrosion that was on there, which can't be corrected, but it's not really noticeable. It's kind of minimal. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to leave them in the raw aluminum or if I will polish them, or maybe I'll paint them the engine color and then leave the fins natural. We'll see. All depends. But so here's the one that's been done. You can see how it looks. It's really good. And then here is one that hasn't been done yet. So that's what this one looked like. In about 20 minutes, it went from this to this, and I think that looks great, and it was for minimal cost. I picked up a kit that utilizes my existing gas pressure washer that I have and a bag of glass bead, and well, that's what we got. So let's take a look at the process here. I'll start doing the next one, and yeah, we'll see what that looks like. Sorry, it's a little sunny. I got the garage door open today. It's a little bit into the afternoon, so we got the get some natural light because we're working outside with this since it's kind of messy. So we'll move this out there and get working on this one. Cleaning what you get, so kind of get the idea. It's a great process. Parts look phenomenal. You can save some money. There's guys out there that'll do it. They'll charge you about 45 bucks an hour to do a part. Something like this, they'll probably tell you it takes an hour or so. You know, so you're looking at, to do two, you're looking at 100 bucks. And for the same amount of money, you can go buy the equipment and do it yourself, and then do whatever other parts you got. And for something like this, where you're restoring an older car that these parts aren't made anymore, it's a great process to do. Or if you got a newer car or any car that's got some expensive aluminum parts, you just want to clean it up and make it look new again. Again, it's another easy process to do. It's a little bit messy. They do make some cabinets that you can recycle the media. In the future, I might get one of those. But for now, I wanted to try the process out for myself and see how it worked before I spent $1,000 on a contained cabinet unit and upwards in money. So this was a low cost investment to try out and see what works, and it does a great job. Well, that's the progress we have for today. The valve covers turned out great. I'm loving this new process that I found. I think it's going to work out great. Get some other parts looking new again as well. yeah, so let's take a look one more time at what those parts look like. Yep, so here they are. Yeah, they look great. This one's, all nice and finished. The second one still needs to get some more work done, but I'll get that done. And when these are, when you see them next, they'll look like new and be on the engine. Um, See, still haven't decided if I want to polish them, paint them, or just leave them the way they are. So, you know what? Maybe you guys give some feedback on what you guys think we should do with them. Throw that in the comments down below. Any questions you have about the process or any other comments,